Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the theme files and supporting tools on the SD card now. You must have a working custom firmware and a recent backup of SysNAND. This prevents loss. Once done, insert the SD into the 3DS, boot into the Homebrew launcher, and open FBI to install CIAs or use the Homebrew Anemone installer. Make sure to verify file integrity. Corrupt CIAs will fail. Now proceed to the Anemone app on the device to begin theme application. You'll now use Anemone's interface to apply and tweak themes. Open Anemone, tap the themes list, and preview any entry before applying so you see expected results. If you want specific apps themed, use the title overrides and assign themes per title ID. Make sure to install banner and icon files if included, otherwise the theme may look incomplete. Once you've set overrides and confirmed previews, apply the theme and reboot the system to commit changes and test visuals across menus. Finish by rebooting your 3DS and inspecting every screen to confirm the theme applied correctly. If some icons or banners are missing, return to the SD and ensure the themes folder uses correct subfolders and file names. Anemone is case sensitive. If the system crashes or the home menu fails to load, remove the recently applied theme CIAs via FBI or restore your backup from the SD. One key tip: always keep a working SysNAND backup so you can recover quickly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.